I had surgery recently and was sent this gift box as a get well gift, and I love it so much. The candle is a lavender scent. The eye mask has a satin wrapped elastic in the back so it doesn't pull your hair. The socks are very cozy slipper socks, and they have the grippy bottom so that you don't slip and fall. And this mug I absolutely adore because you can hold on to it while it has hot liquid in it and it won't burn your hands. It's double wall insulated. The blanket, I believe, is 50 by 60, and I keep it wrapped around my chair so that I can pull it over my shoulders.